called Melanie.
Yeah.
Melanie, she looks at me like I'm water in the desert. Then walks away with her new love like it's all in my head. She breaks my secret heart to weave my songs together. White fire in her eyes like she look at me in bed, sitting there. But across one cheek, I don't know. She looks so fine. How I wish I didn't wish that she were mine. Melanie, why can't I let you go? I know Mr. Sun, no, that you already know. Our stars in the cross, and we were born until we're lost, far from shore. Melanie, close the door. Melanie, she came to me in the sticky end of summer, with her heart on her sleeve, but I let her down. I was tangled in a web and sitting short of spider. Now I felt the fire play, and I wish you were around, but you won't. Lord will open my door, and enough to match your stride. Now I've got to warn me, it's my pride. Melanie, why can't I let you go? I know we've missed our time, but how feelings will be. The skies never cross, and we'll fall until lost, far from shore. Melanie, close the door. Listen, my sweet girl, I want the best for you. Maybe she's the right place for you. I can't love no one until I love myself. So I confess I do adore you. I'm a dream, she's flashing love. I'm a shadow, she's a morning star. But tell me, who's that thing in your